What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to the Nike factory store, and as you can see we have a good ones here. We got the Jordan 1 mids, that's a gold toe, some Air Force 1 here, and these are look like that you can buy them on online. This one is the Jordan 1 mids. It's very huge. It looks like return, and this one you can buy them also online, and as you can see right there, that's a good ones. We got here Air Max 270 React SE. I like this colorway, and this one is like a triple white colorway, nice for the summer. $69.97. Wow. And how about this one? Ooh, $89.97. Very vibrant color. What do you think? Will you cop this one? Oh man, nice color of this 720. Moving on the Air Max Essential, nice one again for the summer, triple white colorway, $89.97. I like this one. What do you think? And now we got some heat down here in men's section. We got some Jordan 1 mid with a little bit of black toe, and then some purple colorway on the back and also on the sole, and they are on retail. Looks like size 11.5 only, no other sizes. But hey, what do you think? Are you gonna cop them? I would love to cop them if they have my size. Alright, so we got the Delta for $99, and this one's also good, but they don't have additional 30. What do you think on those? Also, they got this Jordan 35. I would love to have this one if I'm still playing basketball, but this one is not bad for the price with $129. No additional discount though. Alright, so we got some generic Lebrons with the Lakers colorway. Not bad. $79.99. You sure? Why not? What do you think? And we got also the 11 $149, another $149. This been sitting right here for almost 2 months now, and they are still here and no one's buying them. What do you think? Are you gonna cop them? And now we got some PGs, $59.97, blue colorway, $69.97, and this blackish with blue swoosh accent. Not bad for the price though. We got some Kyries also hitting here. It's been a while and it's not have any discount at all. $69.97. We're just gonna wait out, maybe $49.97 with additional 30. And this one as well, it's all sitting down here, no one's buying them for almost 2 months now. Alright, moving on the clearance wall or the hash wall. They don't have any additional 30 or 20% off discounts, and as you can see, I see some good ones here. We got some Jordan 1 box, and we got the court center court, and I already got me one of this collection, but I have the triple white collection. I don't have these some painting here in the back. It's kind of ugly though. It's like unprofessional looking. I would prefer it is merely pure white, but $74.97 for the price. But I would cop them if they had additional 30 to resell, but for personal, no. Alright, that's it what we could find here in the Nike factory store. Not much going on, not much discount here on the hash wall or the clearance wall, but let's see if we could find something more. And as you can see right here, we got Jordan bugs. So this one's cleats, that's baseball cleats. More down here on the floor, another cleats, size 7 though. What else? This one, some golf thing going on. Hey, there's nothing here, not much going on. Yep, I think we're all done for today, and it's completely dry. Not much to be purchased for personal. Well, that's it. And that's it. Not much going on the Nike factory store. kinda dry. Very disappointed. It's almost a month now that I haven't found anything really good at the Nike factory store, and that is just the reality of it. And now, before we end this video, I would like to discuss a few things regarding the channel. And if you could remember the intro or outro that I've been putting on the video, one of those is that, like, there is a discount deal, something like that. I haven't been doing that for since I've been doing this vlog. So I was kind of been procrastination on this thing that mostly I've been doing is just the shoes and not related, like the lifestyle, and I forgot to doing the discount deals, something like that. So since not too much going on in the Nike factory store or the Nike outlet store, I might be including also these steals and deals, not just merely shoes, because I would like to share more benefit to the subscriber. It's not just for the shoe alone, it's just for saving, something like that. It's because that is where I started before this Nike sneakers investment or all the things I've been doing in the sneaker community. So I've been doing a lot of things, savings, a lot of things, like deals and deals on store, going for a clearance, go store to store or different store looking for deals, something like that. And also those deals I've been also reselling them before the sneakers. And so that is one of gonna be the changes, and also putting on in more benefit for everyone that looking for just deals, looking for some deals, looking for saving money, like saving from grocery store, something like that. Okay, and also some few changes that might gonna happen. So I'm just putting out right here right now, just in case there might be a question, but some might not be, wouldn't care at all. But so with that out of the way, thank you again for watching. Nolasco here. I'll see you next one. Mag-ingat po kayo. Bye bye.